Alrighty guys, we are here at the Fairfield by Marriott, here in Chillicothe, Missouri. Look at what we have here. We got an Otis.
Yeah.
We got an Otis. Let's see if it's how you can fit a Gen 2. It's a Gen 2. One. Yeah, you're not gonna ring. Fine. This call recognition, which is pretty interesting. Let's go back up to 3. Let's go recognition, which is interesting. It's a nice elevator. But it's a Gen 2, so this is for Cam. Put my in here is the MRL cabinet. That's over here. That's fun. That's fun. This is for Cam. Gen 2. Never seen this too. Nothing too exciting. But it's interesting when you push this button. When you push the buttons here, it has call recognition. Very interesting. In here we one. Now watch this. I'm gonna do something on basic right error here. I can find the stupid buttons. Doesn't want to do it, apparently. But we'll do it when the door's closed.
Right.
There we go. You did it upstairs.
Well, so here's the thing, dude. Like, I was thinking about this a little bit. Like,
very nice elevator.
and just be like,
There goes the elevator.
You get help me get 100% of these kids in this.
And I guess
Like,
that is going to be it for me.